Welcome to 12 St George's Road in Toorak, one of Australia's most extraordinary modern residences. A breathtaking fusion of architectural brilliance and engineering excellence. This landmark home is more than a residence, it's a sculptural masterpiece. Commanding a prestigious corner position in Toorak's most coveted location, it offers over 1,500 square metres of luxurious living across 4 grand levels. Crafted with uncompromised quality and cutting-edge technology, this home is the first in the country to feature the Delos Healthy Living System, delivering filtered water and HEPA air purification, all aligned with positive chi to promote wellness and vitality. Inside, the design is nothing short of remarkable. 6 indulgent bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 5 powder rooms are balanced with expansive living and entertaining zones that provide exceptional privacy and flow. No detail has been overlooked, from the finest construction materials to the state-of-the-art systems that elevate everyday living. Internationally renowned landscape designer Paul Bangay adds a final flourish with tranquil, ornamental gardens that seamlessly extend the house's living experiences outdoors. A triumph of innovation, design, and sustainability by SJB's Andrew Parr and an award-winning team. This home was crowned the 2021 Master Builder's Pinnacle Project, and rightly so. 12 St George's Road is not just a home, it's a legacy in the making.